Hey YouTube, it's Mix It with Biscuit here, and what we got here is a brand new 14-inch chop saw. It's the first one I've ever owned. I've never owned a chop saw, metal chop saw. So I wanted to do a little, show and tell, I guess, which is pretty cool. Some of the things that are on it are pretty cool. It's DeWalt. DeWalt's supposed to be pretty decent. Everybody's got their own opinions, but anyways, so what we do here is you push down on it a little bit and you push that over and it pops up, which is pretty cool. As you're going down, this is the part that I think is kind of wonky. I think that it should have been more just made better. It's really, I don't know, just flimsy and stuff. You would have figured it would have had maybe guides or whatever and not flopped around, but whatever, it is what it is. This is super cool. Here is your lockdown, and you can just flip that and it's super fast. That I thought was super cool. It has a quick movable bed on top of that where you can move it for different parts of cuts, and you can do up to a 45-degree angle. Thought that was cool. Quick load. There it is. Then you just run her up, snap her down, and there it is. It's got the Allen wrench here, so you can tighten this down even more if you wanted to. So yeah, I just wanted to show you. The other thing that's really cool about this is it takes no tools to take off that blade. It is a quick change lock mechanism. It basically works the same as a gas cap. When you tighten it to its full extent, it clicks and will not let you over tighten it. I thought that was super cool. So I'm going to be cutting some more metal. I got this stuff here that I cut with my old chop saw. Sorry, I'll get that out of your guys' way. This stuff's 1/4 inch thick, 2-inch angle. So it's 2-inch by 2-inch angle. And I cut that with this here is a Delta. It's not even a metal chop saw. It's a wood chop saw, but I used it because that's what I had, and I destroyed it. I pretty much burned it up. It has no power anymore. So I finally went and decided, you know what? I cut a lot of metal. I need a metal chop saw. So, yep. Look for this. I will be cutting some metal because I'm building that frame, or car trailer, sorry. And I need to do a lot of metal work on that frame. So we'll do some cutting with this bad boy and see how she works. So thanks for watching and stay tuned.